Hey, Roger Martin here from Billings, Montana. It says that this September 14th Antarctica Japanese sector, anyhow, UFO caught on camera during an international rescue mission by helicopter. I thought this was very interesting. Very clear shot. I don't know where they got this from. I'll show you here. It's a very clear shot. I don't know where they're going, but they're going to come up on this here shortly. Here, right here. Watch. Boom.
Oh my God. What kind of helicopter is this?
Now they're going to redo this again, but they are going to get closer on this. Now this wasn't put in, I don't think. This different coloration, this spinning top, this different fuzziness on the bottom is almost on all UFOs that are using anti-gravity. The bottoms aren't very clear, and they sometimes have fuzziness on this top too, because of the anti-gravity and light bending properties on these things. There, closer, closer. Pretty unique vehicle, and it could be a genuine UFO. You see it's been slowed down, it's moving there. We're going to end it there at that. Very interesting. This is Roger Martin from Billings, Montana. I'll give you a full link to the video, and we'll go from there. Good day.